Welcome to your favorite channel. Today we are going to talk about the top 15 legal ways to boost your bank account in 2022. You can't afford to miss any, so watch and enjoy to the end. Kindly subscribe to this channel, like the video, and click the bell button for more updates. 1. Become an affiliate marketer. Affiliate marketing is one of the easiest ways to earn online. All you need is join a program, get a link to products, and when people use your coded link to visit and buy something, you make a commission. People can make hundreds of dollars monthly from affiliate sales. Search affiliate program or associates plus the name of a product to locate something specific to promote or sell just about anything as an Amazon associate. 2. Watch movie previews. If we told you that you could get paid to watch videos on your computer, you would probably laugh. It's too good to be true, right? But we're serious. A website called Inbox Dollars will pay you to watch short video clips online. 1 minute you might watch someone bake brownies, and the next you might get the latest updates on Kardashian drama. All you have to do is choose which videos you want to watch and answer a few quick questions about them afterward. No, Inbox Dollars won't replace your full-time job, but it's something easy you can do while you're already on the couch tonight wasting time on your phone. Unlike other sites, Inbox Dollars pays you in cash, no points or gift cards. It's already paid its users more than $56 million. It takes about 1 minute to sign up, and you'll immediately get a $5 bonus to get you started. 3. Become a mystery shopper. Companies want to know the employees serving their customers are putting a good face on the brand. Because a CEO of company, huge chain can't pull an undercover boss. Every week, many companies send mystery shoppers into the field to rate the customer experience. This can be a simple way to make extra money. If you're efficient, you could extra bucks doing this simple task. 4. Earn up to $25 per hour delivering food. Cities around the country are filled with two things: incredible restaurants and busy people. You can help connect them by delivering food through DoorDash or any other company. As a dasher, you'll work as an independent contractor, setting your own hours and working as much or little as you want, meaning how much you can make is up to you. You'll earn a $6 fee for each delivery, plus keep 100% of your tips. Depending on the day, you could earn up to $25 an hour. If you drive full-time, that's $1,000 a week. For a real-life case, Jose Neri, a former dasher in California, reports earning $500 to $600 a week working just lunches and dinners. They could take about 2.5 deliveries an hour, and users would tip between 10% and 15%. All you need to get started is an insured vehicle or a bicycle and a smartphone. You should be at least 18 years old and have a minimum 2 years driving experience. If you're interested in becoming a dasher, you can check out for more information on their portal. 5. Put your money to work. Once you've built up your bank account, start earning more on the money you've saved. This won't make or break you financially, but why leave cash on the table? Make sure you're earning a competitive rate on your savings, switching to a high-yield savings account if necessary, and you could use a certificate of deposit, CDs, and money market accounts to earn more interest for yourself. 6. Control your spending. For most people, the fastest way to save money is to cut costs. It's also the most painful, and it might not be the most effective if it's difficult to maintain. How do you do it? Get a handle on how much you spend. Track your expenses, whether you use a pen and paper, an app, or even a budgeting software. Don't put too much energy into picking the best system to track your spending. Just get started. You can change your mind about the specifics later. If you have a hard time keeping track of things, spend electronically so that your bank creates a record of every transaction. Pay your bills online, make purchases with a debit card, or better yet, a credit card that you pay off every month, and minimize cash spending. The numbers don't lie. Look at where your money goes and evaluate whether you're getting what you pay for. Once you've taken a hard look at where your money goes, there are plenty of ways to cut costs. You may even decide to downsize your home or car to free up more cash for savings. 7. Develop new skills. The more valuable you become, the more you earn. What new skills have you developed in the last 6 months? If the answer to that question is none, then that might be one strong reason that the money in your bank account hasn't increased. In this day and age, there is an unlimited supply of free online courses, masterclasses, webinars, books, and online publications that can teach you almost anything. You have to take the initiative and enroll or purchase these courses or content. Instead of listening to your favorite radio station in the morning, listen to an audiobook on Audible or a podcast in a field that you are interested in. Instead of watching Netflix during your lunch hour, spend that half hour watching a masterclass or a pre-recorded webinar. You have to be willing to make the time. If you want to be a millionaire, you need to impact 1 million people. If you want to be a billionaire, guess what? You need to impact 1 billion people. How many people are you impacting right now? More skills usually mean more impact. 8. Recycle clothes. Go through your closet and find the clothes that you don't wear anymore and give them away. There are tons of places, like Plato's Closet, that will buy your cute, gently used clothes. You can make room in your closet while putting some cash back in your wallet. 9. Get paid for your opinion. Swagbucks is definitely a reader favorite, probably because of the wide variety of ways to make money beyond taking surveys. It's also famous for handing out free rewards points, called SB, at random just for being a member. You'll get SB for each survey you qualify for and complete that you can redeem for cash via PayPal or gift cards to a number of popular retailers, including Amazon. Even better, you'll earn a 500 SB or $5 bonus when you sign up and earn 2,500 SB within your first 60 days. 10. Build a money machine. Make it goal to develop some type of asset or portfolio of assets that become your cash cow. People who are wealthy don't work hard to get material goods. They don't need a job to pay for one of their luxuries. There will come a moment in your life as your wealth increases where you will pass what many refer to as the Great Barrier. This is the point after which you will never broke again, the point at which you've changed your family's history tree. You've broken the curse. In order to do this, you have to build your money-making machine. 11. Always negotiate in business. You should bargain on everything business-related, not because you're cheap, but because you want to get the most value for your money, which you likely earned via hard work. Keep in mind that money is only a unit of measurement. The more in demand your work becomes, the more you recognize money as a tool used to propel your interests forward. This tool can also manipulate reality. When others are saying that something has never been done in an effort to discourage your efforts, you can use the same Jedi mind tricks that leaders like Steve Jobs, Elon Musk, or Oprah Winfrey used and still use when pushing their visions forward. 12. Use other people's money to build wealth. You can only accomplish so much with your own resources. To generate true wealth, it will take time, and the returns are never as fast nor as great as you'd like them to be. To speed up the process and see greater returns, you will have to master the art of leveraging other people's money. The rich and extremely wealthy do this every day. Banks exist for this same reason. Your money goes into the bank, and the bank provides it to someone who can earn more money with other people's money than you could have ever done on your own. If you own a home, then you have already practiced this principle. For example, say you have $30,000 worth of cash that you'd like to use as a down payment. You then get $70,000 more from the bank, which is probably owned by other people but insured by the bank. You purchase a $100,000 home and now owe the bank $500 a month to finance the 30-year mortgage. You technically used other people's money. 13. Switch to spend less on your utilities. No one wants to pay more for exactly the same thing. Yet so many of us do with our gas and electric bills, car insurance, and mobile phone contracts. Shopping around for a better deal is easy and could save you hundreds of pounds. Comparison websites make it really easy to find the best deals and can give you negotiating power with your current providers. Boost Your Broadband tells you what types of broadband are available in your area and gives impartial advice on getting the best deal. If you can, buying a mobile phone outright and paying for a SIM-only deal often works out cheaper than paying back the price of the handset over a long contract. Always shop around. 14. Reduce your tax bill. Keep more of your earnings by claiming all the tax reliefs you are entitled to. If your employer has asked you to work from home, make sure you claim the tax rebate, effectively giving you up to PS $140 of free money every year. There is also Rent a Room, which lets you earn PS $7,500 a year tax-free from letting out furnished accommodation in your home. 15. Stop trying to impress people. Not including this would be a disservice to you. You don't have to keep up appearances if you don't have the money. Stop trying to impress people whose opinion of you doesn't matter, or worse yet, people who aren't paying attention to you. Most people spend their time in their own heads, focused on their own personal challenges and insecurities. As cold as it sounds, people aren't thinking or talking about you as much as you think, not because you aren't interesting, but because they're too busy dealing with their own personal struggles. You're the same way. Accepting this can be very freeing. Once you remove the shackles of trying to maintain the status quo, you will do amazing things. This is the end of today's video. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe to this channel, like the video, and click the bell button to keep you updated on our future videos.